Hi everyone, it's Corinna from Shared Legacy Farms, and in this video we're going to start with step one of how to use the do-it-yourself MicroGreens Grow Kit. So for those of you who purchased this from us through the online store and you're not quite sure if you're doing it right, I thought I would do a step-by-step process right along with you. So I'm taking the MicroGreens Grow Kit challenge, and I am starting the process today, and I'll be doing a video each step along the way of the journey, and you can watch it as you go. Okay, it should take us about 7 to 10 days to get to the finished product. So here we go. First, I'm just gonna unpack the box for you and show you what's inside, and then we'll do the one thing that we have to do on day one, all right? So inside of this cute little gable box is everything that you need. You have a pound of certified organic growing medium, AKA soil, all right? You've got 5 trays that look like this, and then you've got your instructions. I'll go through this in a second. And you've got your 4 seed packs, and it's important that you don't get these wet until you're ready to start, right? We don't want them to start germinating in the envelope. And then I want to just point out in this instruction kit, there's a really awesome section in the back, all right? The very last page has this QR code, and if you take your phone, and I can't use my phone right now to show you because my phone is recording this video, so I'm gonna grab my iPad instead, all right? And I'm gonna open up the phone app, or the, sorry, not the phone app, the camera app, and I'm going to hover this little guy over my camera app so that it can just look at it. And now I have this thing that says openThrivingGardener.com in Safari. So I'm going to tap on that, and it is going to open this little page right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it's a step-by-step, oh, that's not what I want to do, guide that's going to show you exactly how to do this. It's going to walk you through it. This is a really, really cool resource. So just use that little QR code at the back if you're wanting to see a visual process. Okay, so we're going to start today with the very first thing that we're going to do, which is to soak some of the seeds. So not all of the seeds get pre-soaked, but if you have the peas and sunflowers in as a seed variety, you have to pre-soak those overnight, okay? So that's what we're gonna do first. Before we put soil in the trays and any of that, we're just gonna take some of those seeds. So the only seed that came in my kit that can be pre-soaked is the sweet pea. We didn't have any sunflower seeds this time around. So I'm taking my seeds, okay, and I'm gonna dump them into a container like this. And I'm gonna take some water, here we go, and I am going to pour it in. Now, that's probably enough. These are gonna kind of soak the seeds, soak up that water overnight, and they're gonna expand a little bit. So just make sure that your seeds are covered with water the whole time. Just check on them, all right? And they're gonna soak them for about, I don't know, 8 to 12 hours, just overnight. And in the morning, we'll come back and we'll do the next step, which is to put soil into the trays and get started. All right, so I'll see you then.